Hello, my dearest students. Our lesson today is talking about the triangle. In this lesson, we are going to solve more exercising using the theorem of the sum of measures of interior angles of the triangle equal 180 degree. Then we will recognize the relation between the exterior angle and the two non-adjacent interior angles. After that, we will recognize the relation between the ray drawn from the midpoint of the side of a triangle parallel to another side. Finally, we will recognize some corollaries about the triangle. Theorem 1. The sum of measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Exercise 1. ABC is a triangle which measure angle A equal 3080 degree and measure angle C equal 3080 degree. Find measure angle B. Measure angle B is one of its interior angle of the triangle ABC. So how can I find the measure of angle B? Equal 180 degree minus measure angle A plus measure angle C equal 180 minus 38 plus 38 equal 180 minus 76 equal 104 degree. The exterior angle of the triangle. The measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its non-adjacent interior angle. Exercise 2. In this figure, find the value of x. X is the exterior angle. So how can I find the measure of exterior angle? Yes, by adding two non-adjacent interior angles. X equal measure angle A plus measure angle B equal 60 plus 70 equal 130 degree. Exercise 3. Find the value of x. X, or measure angle A, is one of its interior angle. So how can I find the measure of one of its interior angle? Yes, by subtracting the other interior angle from the exterior angle. So x equal measure angle BCD minus measure angle B equal 110 minus 90 equal 20 degree. Exercise 4. Find the value of x. The same, x, or measure angle A, is one of its interior angle. So can I find the measure angle A, or the value of x, by subtracting the other interior angle from the exterior angle. So x equal measure angle ACD minus measure angle B equal 135 minus 75 equals 60 degree. Notice that if two angles of one triangle equal to angles of the other triangle, like measure angle A equal measure angle D and measure angle B equal measure angle E, so the measure of the third angle of the first triangle is equal in measure to the third angle of the other triangle. Like measure angle C will be equal measure angle F. Remarks. If the sum of measures of two angles in a triangle equals 90 degree, then the third angle is right. If the sum of two angles in a triangle is less than 90 degree, then the third angle is obtuse. If the sum of measures of two angles in a triangle is more than 90 degree, then the third angle is. Exercise 5. In the opposite figure, ABC is a triangle in which measure angle 1 equal measure angle A, measure angle 2 equal measure angle C. Prove that measure angle ABC is right. The solution. The given ABC is a triangle in which measure angle 1 equal measure angle A, measure angle 2 equal measure angle C. RTP required to prove ABC is right. The proof. Since measure angle 1 equal measure angle A and measure angle 2 equal measure angle C, by adding measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 equal measure angle A plus measure angle C. Since the sum of measures of interior angles of a triangle is 180, then measure angle ABC equal measure angle A plus measure angle C equal 180 divided by 2 equal 90 degree. Then the measure angle ABC is right. Exercise 6. In the opposite figure, ABC is a triangle in which measure angle A equal to measure angle C and measure angle B equal 4 measure angle C. Prove that measure angle B is obtuse. The solution. Given measure angle C equal x, measure angle A equal to measure angle C, like twice measure angle C equal 2x, and measure angle B equal 4 measure angle C equal 4x. RTP required to prove measure angle B is obtuse. The proof. Since measure angle A plus measure angle C, measure angle A plus measure angle C equal x plus 2x equal 3x, and measure angle 4 is 4x, then measure angle B plus A plus C equal 180 degree theorem. Then measure angle B is greater than measure angle A plus C, because measure angle B is 4x and the sum of A and C equal 3x. So the measure of angle B is greater than the sum of measure angle A plus measure angle C. So B is obtuse. Theorem 2. The ray drawn from the midpoint of a side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. In the opposite figure, D is a midpoint of AB and DE is parallel to BC. RTP, E is a midpoint of AC. So we will make a construction AX is parallel to BC. The proof. Since AX parallel to DE parallel to BC and AB and AC are two transversals to them at D and E respectively, since AD equal DB because D is a midpoint, then AE equal EC, then E is a midpoint of AC. Corollary. The line segment joining the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Exercise 7. In the opposite figure, X is a midpoint of AB, Z is the midpoint of CD and XY is parallel to BC. Prove that YZ parallel to AD. The solution. Given X is the midpoint of AB, Z is the midpoint of CD, and XY is parallel to BC. RTP, YZ parallel to AD. The proof. In the triangle ABC, since AX equal XB and XY parallel to BC, then AY equal YC. Theorem. In the other triangle ACD, since AY equal YC, proved before, and DZ equal ZC, given, then YZ parallel to AD. Corollary. Exercise 8. In the opposite figure, ABCD is a parallelogram and BC equal CF, so C is a midpoint of BF, and AF intersect CD at H. Prove that AH equal FH. The solution. Given ABCD is a parallelogram and BC equal CF and AF intersect DC at H, RTP, prove that AH equal FH. The proof. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, then CD parallel to AB, CD is parallel to AB. In the triangle ABF, ABF, the biggest triangle, since C is a midpoint of BF and CH parallel to AB, then H is a midpoint of AF, then AH is parallel to FH. Theorem 3. The length of the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is equal to half the length of the third. Exercise 9. In the opposite figure, ABC is a triangle in which X, Y, Z are the midpoints of AB, BC, and CA respectively. XY equal 3 cm, YZ equal 5 cm, ZX equal 6 cm. Find with proof the perimeter of triangle ABC. The solution. Given ABC is a triangle in which X, Y, Z are the midpoints of AB, BC, and CE respectively. XY equal 3 cm, Y, Z equal 5 cm, ZX equal 6 cm. RTP, the perimeter of the triangle ABC. The proof. In the triangle ABC, since X is a midpoint of AB and Z is a midpoint of AC, then XZ equal half BC, XZ equal half BC, then BC equal 2 times 6 equal 12 centimeter. Similarly, Since x is a midpoint of AB and y is a midpoint of BC, then xy equal half AC, then AC equal 2 times 3 equal 6 centimeters. Similarly, since y is a midpoint of BC, z is a midpoint of AC, then yz equal half AB, then AB equal 2 times 5 equal 10 centimeter. Then the perimeter of the triangle ABC equal AB plus BC plus CA equal 10 plus 12 plus 6 equal 28 centimeters.